Welcome to Pluralsight and this cybersecurity tools course featuring Mimikatz, the open source post-exploitation tool developed and maintained by Benjamin Delpy. Members of blue and red teams, as well as penetration testers, may need to understand how an attacker can move from one system to another, building up to the access and knowledge of the domain necessary to accomplish their final goals. Along with other capabilities, Mimikatz can do precisely that. With Mimikatz, you can pass the hash, impersonate users or domain controllers, or create golden and silver tickets. If you are seeking to learn how you can use Mimikatz towards lateral movement efforts during security engagements, or if you just want to learn how attackers can perform these activities, join me and learn how to move laterally using Mimikatz here at Pluralsight.